This is a bit of a follow-up video to my last video where I was trying out a previously unknown to me USDoubler ROM that seemed to be seeking too fast and not really working too well. But it turned out the first byte of that ROM dump was corrupted. It was configured as FF instead of the expected 1D seen in most other ROMs. So this one works. It has a faster stepping speed, and it's pretty impressive, and it works with tandem mechanisms. So you get the speed of similar to a speedy or mega speedy for seek times and stepper rate, and or a world storage technology mechanism, or the ROM that goes with that drive. So here goes. So here's a standard format in USDoubler SKU, and then I'll copy some files on. So the initial format is pretty similar, but you'll see when it gets to the end and goes back to track 0 to write the directory it seeks. Pretty quick. Done. Okay, and then let's copy a bunch of files to drive 1. Copying random files is a good test. It's a lot of back and forth to track 0 in Sparta-DOS. Small files at the end there. And that's that. So this is a very cool ROM to use in most USDoubler implementations. See ya.